live trade. I'm in JPM puts on a $6,000 position. I got 12 contracts. I entered 07/03/2025 puts. Currently, I'm down 3%. I think the trade that I'm taking is only for like 6%. So if I lose this trade, it'll be about $400 loss. What we're looking at here is we're targeting this 1 minute order block. I do like this gap right here. We came into and got a rejection off of. So then I came down to the 5 minute, really got to see where it was. Then I came down to the 1 minute, saw the rejection, saw the rejection, saw the rejection, saw the break of structure. So, had this break of structure right here, found the order block right here, and I thought I was too late. We got the rejection off the order block, so I entered down here off this candle because I was like, oh, I don't want to miss the move. So instead of waiting, I got a bad entry, but still entered the trade. Now we're just targeting this order block, or we could target this gap, but I am looking for 30% on this trade. That's all. Stop loss at or above the gap. So I have it a little bit below, just so like I get notified. If I am, gonna lose the trade, I get notified a little bit before, so I'm not, losing my ass way up there. I'm losing it. I'm looking at it right before too, so like I get notified and I get to look. Oh, is it even a good entry? Is it a good sell point? Is the market gonna reverse? And like, look at the candles. The candles actually matter. Like what I'm seeing now is I'm actually seeing bullish price action. So unless we got a big engulfing candle, which we haven't, there'd be a reason to say this, right? Like, all right, so this candle right here, gap down. If this is just a big sell candle, that, we're looking good. And honestly, I wish I got a better entry on this, because if I entered where I wanted to enter, right here, this would be like, oh, I'm not even in a loss. Still basically in profit or whatever, but I got a really bad entry. Patient pays. Don't enter the trade if, you shouldn't enter the trade. If it's not your level, be patient. Enter then, best possible entry. These are all good things. Okay, this was a good candle. We're gonna get candle closure at this level, without a wick. If we get candle closure without a wick, it would have been an engulfing candle. It's not. It's fine. Whatever. It's still not, the best price action. Now, if we start taking liquidity, right? Get this, and then this, then, I'll see the push down to this area, and maybe even lower. And let me know in the comments section below if you guys want me to like edit this. Like, yes, we're in the trade right now. Me and you, we're seeing it happen. I actually posted it. Oh, sorry. I posted it in the Telegram group. So there it is. JPM puts right there. Telegram group, link in description. If you're new to the channel and want to join in, or just, sometimes I just go in there and preach, preach some, like, trading tips. But trading is all about, honestly, there's so many strategies out there. Like, this ain't the only one. But trading is all about psychology, patience, right? Because this position right here, or any position basically, sometimes I get in trades and I'm just like, I'm sitting here for like 3 hours, right? Trade's not moving at all, and I just like end up closing it, and then it goes to my profit target when I could have just waited. So let's look at this candle. This is a bearish candle. A bullish hammerhead is bearish. So if we see a little push down, we got to make it past this order block too. But, alright, well, if it closes like this, it's a bullish reversal. You know what I'm saying? So, like, there's so many candles on this 1 minute time frame. Let's start looking at the 15. What are we seeing? Close on the 5 minute. Close on the 5 minute like this. That's bearish. Alright. The 15. We literally saw this yesterday, or my last trade on target. This is a bearish closure, but I don't know if so like this position caught the liquidity, right? Am I filling the lower liquidity now, or are we too early again? Because like, I don't know if you saw, go to target, because it was yesterday I was in that position, right? Oh, we also had a bearish hammerhead, but whatever. Pull down, right? There was an entry that I was looking at, but I didn't take because I was like, already hit the sell. I don't want to enter it again. Dude, it hit liquidity. Boom. Moonshot, right? Those are the trades you want to take. You don't want to take these slow trades. You want to be grabbing liquidity, pushing the other direction, right? So we'll see what JPM does. This is, we can get a closure. If we can get a closure taking liquidity on the 15, we'll be looking so juicy. Like what I normally do in this, right? I'm in the trade. It's looking fine. I'd go do my work or whatever. Whatever you do, play the game, whatever, You're already in the position. You already did all the technical analysis you need. You don't need to over technical this. Okay, you just need to be in. You just need to let it hit your stop, hit your profit, whatever. Move on with your day. I don't take multiple positions either. So like, I'll only take one position. So we look at this, right? MSTR calls came second. I said I was looking, so it came second. I didn't take that. Well, I didn't take it with a big position. I took it with one contract. But whatever I enter first, and I really like it, that's what I'm going deep on. So, hopefully today we can secure 30% on this trade, $1,800 profit. Be extremely happy. Or honestly, I'd take 800. I want 1 to 1.5 is fine if you're consistent about it. So that's 15%. Because like I'm only risking 10, and actually I think this price even that I entered, and I'm, closing at 270.77. That's actually only 5% or 6%. So it's really a 1 to 2.5. But I'll let you know. I'll let you know if we close in a loss, and I'll let you know what I lost, because I got to track that in the trading journal. Oh, let's look at. We're getting bullish pressure from the SPY, but we're still going down on JPM. That is so good, right? Because any kind of bearish pressure is gonna freaking tank JPM. Actually, let's look at that real quick. Go to the 1 minute. So we took out the first swing low, which is good. Okay. Oh, this is my entry. My bad. So yeah, we're getting some movement down. That's good. Ooh, very good push down. Take out the next swing low. Dude. Oh. And I always trade off my phone, guys. I don't trade on computer. Just to put all the alerts, get the alerts set up to your phone. See where we're at on this. It ain't much, but it's an honest living. Yeah. We just made someone's salary. I'm just kidding. Made someone's day at work already. Yeah, if we got to fill up here, we'd be up like 10% right now. But whatever. Let's take out this swing low, and we'll look, so juicy. Maybe we can move this. Move that to like 270, so we're only risking 2% now. And this could be, don't, question yourself, right? Oh, it could be like, oh, double bottom, bounce up. Or, oh, they took out liquidity on the swing low, bounce up. So, you guys gotta remember that that's always a possibility. you know, we're looking for like, oh, take it, oh, don't get a strong push and then just keep falling. You know, those are much better than just push down, grab liquidity, then it rips the other way. Okay. You know what I'm saying? So, alright, this, you know, but, you know, we'll take anything we can get. We get a straight push down to here and we're rich. I will take it any day of the week. A little falling knife action. Take out the entire liquidity pool. Is that a double top? Dude, double tops are very bearish. I didn't even see that. Let's put that just right above. Just a very bearish candles and stuff. Ooh. We are juicy right now, man. Keep it pushing. I'm working on my second job here. Is SPY going down? Oh, dude, it's so good. It's so good. So when it does go down, we got those big two. You know, we got this gap. So okay, we're up 10% on this. Very good position right now. What liquidity was taken there? Right here. And then we do have this one. I mean, that order block's probably the biggest one for me. I'm like, you know, we can get a push up, but I'm just sitting here waiting for these notifications. Either one. So it's every time, guys. Either one. Just, you know, and I guess you gotta know how to set your like price targets, but like 30%, right? That's not something crazy. You don't be, you know, you're going for 100% now. That's like very hard, you know, price to hit. You're going for 30, so. And the best way, here, let me stop. Let me pack this one up so I can do it. best way to know what price like your stop loss is gonna be at on an option play, use the Robinhood simulator or whatever lets you do that. I didn't even know about it until recently. I'm like, that is goated. The goat. Okay, I'm gonna cut this and then I'll come back in a little bit. I'm just gonna print some more labels out. Alright, so position, you know, we got a little move around in liquidity. It's looking good. SPY getting a push down, or NASDAQ getting a push down. SPY getting a push down. I hope SPY will break the structure right here. Then we'll see an even bigger push down. Yeah. Yeah, but don't celebrate early, guys. You never know. Position could turn around. So, like, trading is like you need to be a robot, honestly. I do have plans today, though. What time is it? It's 11:41 a.m. So I'll technically just let the alerts play it out. You know, but I'm definitely gonna, cause I'm going to like a beach today, so I'm definitely gonna check it before I go. Just chill at the beach, cause I don't want to get smoked on a big position. What's the 15-minute looking like? Dude, honestly looks so beautiful. Big ass engulfing candle. Took liquidity, hit this order block, whatever. Let's shoot for this double bottom, honestly. Right, maybe even right here. I go for the tip of the gap. So oh my gosh, who's blowing me up on Discord? I'll be back. out, I'm gonna be pissed. Oh, 6 seconds on this candle though? That's not good. Unless... You know, I mean, I don't think that's good, but what's the 1 hour looking like? We're still in the same position. Oh, that is so bearish though. That I didn't even know that 1 hour closure was like that. That's so bearish. All right, let me show you guys something. Oh, can I capture something while I'm recording? Maybe I need to rethink this. Let's do these 3. And then just go to... Okay, I can't do it because I'm recording. Let me pause the recording, hold on. Hopefully I wasn't recording that little corner screen, but here's a part 2. We're still in the trade, little update. I'm not really liking price action right now in this 1 minute time frame. We got double bottom. We got another double bottom. It's getting very bullish right now. Hopefully there's, you know, not liquidity at this reversal. Like, hopefully it wants to go lower. It's not looking like it though. So, but, you know, it also could mean it needs to tag in this area, tend to go lower. So yeah, got this gap right here. This could also make it go lower. Fill the gap. Take out sell side. Continue lower. We'll see. It's looking kind of bullish, so never know. It's 11:18 now. I'll come back with another update, see where I'm at, or maybe later today when if I'm stopped out or not. We'll see. Oh, it's pushing up. Could happen right now. Just because I want my stop loss at break even. So. Wow, they all just broke structure. This would be like, if I hit my alert, be like, stop. I'm gonna stop out. This would be me looking and be like, market just broke structure, but oh god, I need to close my garage, dude. Yeah, dude, if we get something like this, I'm gonna be sick. Stop me out. Dump. Yeah, that's the question. Do I really want to stop loss break even, or do I want to take my initial stop loss and let it? Because that's what happened on target too. So, but it is getting 12:30. I don't even want to be in this trade anymore. It's taking a minute. Maybe if I had that better entry. Actually, if I had that better entry, I probably would have took profit because the trade would have been at what I wanted to be at. Just really thinking, do I want this stop loss break even? I don't know. Could have just been it needed to fill that gap to push down. We'll see. We'll see. What's tomorrow? What do they got going on? What's the news tomorrow? 6 a.m. That's nothing. FOMC meeting? That's huge. Well, gotta close that trade. Gotta close this trade today. Alright, let's do one of these. That's about 3 o'clock, right? That's Wednesday. Scared me. No matter what the price is at, just gotta close the trade at that time, so. Alright, that's it. I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Not gonna make this video any longer than it needs to be. I'll post what the outcome was. I'll just add it to this video. I'll extend it. So you guys will know either way. So here is the final trade update. It ended up, going to my break-even point. I was watching it. I was like, you know what? There's liquidity above these highs, double top. I'm going to put my stop loss above those highs again, or just go to my regular stop loss. Put the notification back. It ended up waking up. Luckily, it didn't get notified. Came all the way down, notified me for my take profit. So, a little bit less than I wanted, because when I looked, it was a couple minutes afterwards. So I took profit about right here, but it was $1,000 profit. So we'll take it. JPM secured the bag, got 17% on the trade. The notification would have been, 23%, which would have been 2-to-1. It's probably gonna move lower, but again, I'm not even at home right now, right? I'm out doing stuff. So I'm happy to secure that bag, and we'll see what we can do on Thursday. Probably not going to trade tomorrow. Hope you all have a wonderful rest of your day. Peace.